Hello, very good day to you. Bit of a north-south split in our weather through today. Northern parts having a lot of fine sunny weather. Meanwhile in the south we've seen some wet weather push its way in, and that's in association with a frontal system that's making its way southwards, and there will be further showery bursts to come as we go through the rest of today. So if we look through the details, then yes, some fairly hefty showers across the southern parts. There's going to be a convergence line, and it's on this convergence line where there's the risk of some thunder, even a bit of lightning and hail mixed in, and it's not out of the question that we could see a funnel cloud, maybe even a brief tornado across parts of the southeast. Most places, though, just seeing a scattering of showers across the south, and otherwise across many central northern parts, a good deal of fine sunny weather, and for most in the sunshine, it's going to feel pretty warm. Temperatures peaking in the low to mid 20s for some of us, but towards those eastern, those North Sea coastal parts, it's going to feel markedly fresher because of the brisk wind that's coming down from the north. Then as we go through this evening, still some fairly frequent showers across southern parts, still some heavier ones, could even be thundery at times too. Watch out for those. Then we have a cold front that's actually pushing its way southwards. That's going to bring a swathe of cloud and perhaps even a few outbreaks of rain, initially across eastern Scotland, but then down the eastern side of England as we go through the early hours of tomorrow. Elsewhere, away from this zone of cloud and a bit of rain, there will be a lot of clear skies, and so it is going to be another fresh night for some. Couldn't rule out a touch of frost across some parts of Scotland, perhaps the sheltered glens. Most places, though, particularly your towns and cities, holding up several degrees above freezing. There may be the odd pocket of mist and fog around first thing on Thursday morning, but for most it's going to be a bright, sunny start away from this slice of cloud across parts of, well, central eastern England into East Anglia as well. So a bit of rain perhaps for a time in association with that. Otherwise, it's looking largely dry through tomorrow. A few showers across parts of the southwest maybe, but these won't be as intense as the showery bursts that we'll have seen through today. And apart from this slice of cloud pushing its way a bit further southwards, there will again be a good amount of sunshine on offer. But because this is actually a cold front, although it's not bringing a huge amount of rain, it is bringing colder air across us, and so for most, temperatures will be a few degrees down on Thursday compared to today, and still with that brisk wind towards those North Sea coast, feeling pretty fresh actually here, despite the fact that there will be a decent amount of sunshine. Now as we head towards the end of the week and the long bank holiday weekend, after a mostly fine day on Friday, we do have a weather system coming through on Saturday and another one on Sunday, so we can expect some wet and windy weather at times, a real change from what we've become used to so far this spring. For more information about what we can expect, make sure you check out our 10-day trend with Honor, which will be available on our YouTube channel later on today. Bye-bye.